Yeah, I unfortunately lost my keys to my. You're not gonna shoot me, are you?
Oh, no, this is in case we run into problems.
Oh, okay. Hopefully not. Yeah, just keep on going by here. I left my car just on the other side of the quarry here. Yep, that direction, that way. Keep going. It's in the woods over there somewhere. Let's see if we can find it here. I think it's over to the left a little bit. Yeah, a little to the right. It's right over here. If I remember correct. Let's see it yet. Oh, nope, I think it's down the hill a little bit there. There we go. That looks like the right direction. Definitely getting in the right area now. There. Oh, there it is back there. Yep, I just saw it. To the left here. Yeah, that's my car right there. Definitely my car.
Good, good.
I appreciate the ride. Hey, I got a little bit of money, some whiskey, uh, a, a mask. Any of that interest you?
Give the whiskey and we call it good.
There you go. Okay. Oh, well, this is embarrassing. Apparently, I forgot my keys to the car. No problem though. I can get into it.
That's not something you see every day.
There we go. Now I'm in my car. Yeah.
Yes, your car.
Exactly. All right. Well, I'm just gonna take my car and drive away. You should probably do the same before the owner shows up.